So, hi guys, and we're playing Teardown. Yeah, that's the game, Teardown. So, so this is a game where you can destroy, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna do this ragdoll. What if I can spawn another one? Oh god! How do I... Is he okay? He's hanging on. Can I do his head? I'm sure I can. OMG, I never seen so many blood. I suck your blood out. Dude, I did his whole head. Now we're gonna spawn a human. Ah! I'm not supposed to do that. Wake up. Did you just set a grenade? Wake up. I'm over here. It's me. It's me. I'm over here. Where is he? Oh! That's what you get. Dude, he shot me. Ah! Bro, I have my gun. I have my gun. I have my gun. I have my gun. Gun. Dude, I shot him with my gun. Did you guys see how I shot him with my gun? I guess I picked up that gun. Dude, I literally shot him. Hey, what's up here? We can set off our grenade if we want. No, that's not a grenade. This is probably an RPG. That's not how many I want. Ah! Wake up! Get up! Die! I killed all of them. No! Now I killed them. I'm gonna set the world on fire. I'm setting the world on fire. Die! What? I'm just making a video. Oh my god, the world is on fire. Wait, I just ran out of memo. Oh god, I just ran out of... I didn't know there was more fire. Alright, quickly to the stairs. Quickly to the stairs. Safe place. It better not get up here. Is it here? Did you guys hear that? Bro. Oh my freaking god. God help me. God. Wake up. Wait, how do I... Wake up. God help me. God. Set the world on fire. Yeah. Dude, is that an operator? It's an operator. But, dude, it's literally an operator. I killed him. Haha, that's what you got, stupid operator. Dude, can I destroy his mask? I can't destroy his mask. But that's okay. This is a really nice game. Oh, I know what to do. Here's Johnny! Ah! Oh my God. Ow! Oh, my dead body. Is that a building hammer?